This right here is a medium SAT geometry problem. It's really a proportion in disguise, but we'll get to that in a second. Let's read it. The table gives the perimeters of similar triangles TUV and XYZ. TU corresponds to XY. The length of TU is 18. You're looking for the length of XY. Well, first of all, where are these triangles? They're not here. So what should you do? Obviously, you should draw them. Don't have to be fancy triangles. You can draw triangles like you would have drawn in second grade. They're similar, which means that they're the same in a lot of ways. So you should draw your triangles the same in a lot of ways. Doesn't have to be to scale or anything like that. So there are the triangles. It says that TU corresponds to XY. So there's TU, there's XY, they correspond. You're looking for XY, so make a little line on it, visualize that to myself. The length of TU is 18. And then in the little chart, it looks like triangle TUV's perimeter is 37, so it's smaller. Triangle XYZ's perimeter is 333, so it's bigger. All right, guys, before I even do this, let's write down A, B, C, D, and let's just pretend that we have no idea what we're doing. Could we ballpark? Well, if this is TU and it's 18, if this side were 2, which is what answer choice A says, do you think that XYZ would be a lot smaller or a lot bigger? Guys, it'd be a lot smaller, but we know that it's a lot bigger, so that can't be right. Let's take a look at answer choice B. It says that XY would be 18. What do you think would happen to the perimeters then? They're similar triangles. They could be the same? Yeah, man, that can't be right either. So even if you have no idea what you're doing, you can still get this down to a 50-50 shot, which is a beautiful thing. But let's talk about why this problem is a proportion in disguise. What's going on here is you know a side of triangle TUV, and you know the total perimeter. Over here, you're looking for this side, and you also know the total perimeter. So it's just a simple proportion. The side that you know is 18, and you know that the total perimeter of triangle TUV is 37. Proportions are equal to each other. You're looking for this side, so what do you say if you don't know what it is? Of course you say X. And what's the total perimeter of XYZ? It's 333. Set up a simple proportion, and then it's just fraction equal sign fraction, so you cross multiply. I'm going to do this right here. So it's 37x equals what? Who knows? So you put that in your calculator. 37x equals 18 times 333. And guys, that is 5,994. And now you've got a completely simple algebraic equation. I'm going to divide 5,994 by 37. And look at that. You get 162. That's it. That's the answer. What you will note is D.